Construction Machinery Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global construction machinery market size is $150,258.3 million in 2024 and will expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America held the major market of more than 40% of the global revenue with a market size of $60,103.32 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 2.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe held the market of more than 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $45,077.49 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 2.7% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific held the market of around 23% of the global revenue with a market size of $34,559.41 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America market of more than 5% of the global revenue with a market size of $7,512.92 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 3.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa held the major market of around 2% of the global revenue with a market size of $3,005.17 million in 2024 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 3.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.